Hey guys, what's going on? I decided to make a quick little build video on this car. My son is recording on just my iPhone right now, but I wanted to at least show and talk a little bit about some of the stuff that we did to the car. I'm also going to list out all the information at the bottom of the video as well too, because I'm probably going to forget something here. But it started with a 2003 Nissan 350Z. It had like 175,000 miles on it. We got a LS2 6-liter Chevy block, and we basically stripped the thing down, completely rebuilt the motor and everything. We got a cam, we got a Torker V2 cam kit from Texas Speed. We've got LS7 lifters in it. We've got a Trunion upgrade in this. We've got an upgraded like intake from Speedmaster. I ended up going with the CD09 6-speed transmission out of a G35 just to handle the power upgrade and everything with it. And then we went through Injuku Racing. We bought all the ISR parts for an LS swap kit. We have the wiring harness from Wiring Specialties. And so we did everything with ISR. We have the ISR long tube headers. We've got the ISR adapter plate, the starter, the new flywheel, what else do they have on there? We got the oil kit. We upgraded a ton of stuff on there. We also have a accessories drive kit from LOJ on there as well too. So we have all the factory, heat and AC and everything is all still on the vehicle as well too. The car came with Greddy exhaust on it when I bought it, and honestly the Greddy exhaust bolted right up to the long tube headers, so we decided to keep it on there. I'm trying to think what else. New drive shaft obviously, and new clutch, stage 2 clutch upgrade on it. I had it tuned locally by a gentleman that's been tuning LS motors for years and years and years, does a lot of drag cars and different things like that. What else? Oh, also what kind of a cool thing, when I bought the car had been resprayed by a gentleman that's kind of in the automotive business. He just resprayed it at his house, so it's not the cleanest respray in the world, but the car cleans up really nicely, drives really well, definitely gets moving if you kick it. You probably can't tell that on the camera at all with it moving there, but very torquey car, very quick car. I did not get it dyno tuned, but the gentleman that tuned it for me was estimating that it's putting down about 400 to the wheel, and just incredible car. Hate to see it go, but on to the next build, and that is that. So stay tuned, and we'll talk to you soon.